So do you remember that today we were thinking about taking off our old self that does whatever we want to do and putting on our new self that means following Jesus? So today we're going to make a mask. It's a two-sided mask because on this side there's my old self, my mischievous, cheeky, do whatever I like old self, and my smiley, happy, following Jesus new self on the other side. Now the way we're going to do this is like this. If you've got a paper plate, then that's great because that's already sort of face shaped. But if you don't have a paper plate, then don't worry. Maybe you've got an old cereal packet like this. I used an empty cereal packet to make a mask like this. You see, like that. So I used the inside of the packet. Remember to make sure the packet's empty before you start cutting it up. But if you don't have that, you might have some cardboard packaging like this. So I've started to make a mask with this, and I've drawn an oval shape, sort of the same sort of shape as my face. Then I've cut it out. Wants to be just slightly bigger than your own face if you can. Then I've drawn two eyes onto the face, and I'm going to cut those out. Now that can be a little bit tricky, so you might want to ask a grown-up to help you. But when I've done that, then I can start to decorate my mask. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to draw some cheeky eyebrows and a smiley, cross, cheeky, mischievous, very do what I want sort of smiley face. On the other side, I think I'm going to draw a happy face and happy eyes. Now, as you can see, with my plate mask, I've added some curly hair on both sides, and you can do that if you've got some paper or anything else that you think you could use to make some hair. That makes the extra nice bit on it. But you don't have to do that. It's your mask and you can do what you like. What I've done with this is to use a bit more of the packaging from the cereals and made a tongue that goes through to the other side. And then you need to work out how you're going to hold your mask or wear your mask. So if you've got two pieces of card, as I have here, then you can tie them together with two pieces of string and use that same string to hold the mask in place over your head. Then you can take it off and turn it around the other way. But if you've got a lollipop stick similar to this one, then you can have a mask that you hold in your hand and turn it around. Of course, the advantage of this is you need to eat the lollipop first. So it's your mask. Think about what you want to have on your old self side and your new self side. Have fun. And don't forget to show us what you've made and put it on the Facebook page so we can all have a look.